welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing this clown look, and to start off I am mapping out where I want the glitchy cuts to be, and I'm using some toilet paper slices. So I got my paintbrush and I'm just lathering on a coat of Elmer's glue so I can stick that piece of toilet paper on there and start layering more glue on there. As I'm doing this, I'm indenting the center, and I'm also pushing up the sides so I can get a narrow slice on my face. Usually if I wanted to have more of a deeper cut, I would add more layers of toilet paper on here in the middle and literally put blood in there. But today I just wanted it to be like nasty, coagulated blood on the sides and gooey in the center. I'm just making sure that everything is exactly where I want it because it's starting to really dry now. I'm wiping off all of the excess glue that I have on my face because I don't want it to start peeling underneath my foundation or anything else later. I'm priming with some concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with this really small beauty blender. I'm going in with some pink for my base, which I wish I didn't do, and you'll see why later, but I wish I did it with blue. But I'm going in with pink, and I'm making sure that it's really packed on in the center of my eye because I want 3 colors on the bottom and I want the pink to pop out the center. I'm going in with this blue color and packing it on the ends of my eyes. I love this color. It gave me cotton candy vibes. So I actually asked my boyfriend to go to the store and grab cotton candy, and yeah, I made a cotton candy weapon after I filmed this, so you'll see that later. I'm popping on some yellow here. I really like yellow. It's one of my favorite colors, so I wanted to pop that on the inner corner to give it just a little bit of a bright pastel clown vibe. I put this white, but on the tails I popped on these little circle dots of the colors that I used on my eyelids. Clowns are usually like really artistic, so I thought I needed just a little bit of something. So I just popped on these little dots. Next, I'm going in with some concealer, and today I feel really heavy, and I want my face to be super bright and have some really good highlights. I blend all my concealer out with my little baby blender. And add more wherever I feel like needs more brightness. I do go over these cuts because I want them to be the same color as my skin. That way, when I put the blood on there, it just looks more natural. Now I'm putting on my foundation and I'm blending it out with a bigger beauty blender. I want really full coverage, so I don't mind packing on a lot of foundation today. I want to make sure that my cuts are a really good shade, so I'm just going to keep adding more coverage and blending that out. I'm going in with my bronzer now. I want to warm up my face and make sure it's not way too flat. I also like to define my nose with a little bit of bronzer, so I'm doing that here. I want to add a little bit of color into my face, so I'm popping on my blush here, and I'm going in with this really bright pinkish color. I want this color to really pop up, so I decided to go ahead and press the pan directly onto my cheeks and onto the tip of my nose, just to add a little bit of a circle flavor to it and more of a clown brightness. I'm cleaning up my eyebrows here, and I'm using concealer on the bottom, and then I go ahead and use foundation for the top. I use a tiny beauty blender and I blend that out. I'm going in with a little bit of setting powder under my eyes just to clean it up a bit, add a little bit of brightness too. Make sure I bring the powder up to my nose just so I can define my nose a little bit more. I'm going in with some highlight here. Adding a little bit of bronzer back to my face here. And now I am covering up that white I had with some blue because I really wanted the blue. I should have done the blue as the base and then cut creased to throw on the yellow and the pink, but it just didn't work out that way, and that's okay because I'm literally a bloody clown. So I'm going over my blue with some loose silver shimmer. And I go ahead and add my colors right back onto my lid. I want a little bit of pops underneath my eyes, so I decided to use the same 3 colors and kind of just do like a little pattern. I'm applying my mascara here. I decided to go over my lips with that blue shade. I thought it would give like the perfect weird pop, and when I take my pictures later, it looks really crusty but cute, and like that's what I want. That's what I was going for. Next, I'm finally applying the blood, which I was like really excited about for some really odd reason. It just is kind of like gooey, so it's fun to play with. But I'm going in and I am lining up where I want my top cuts to be. They're on my forehead and through my eyes. And then I'm going to connect them with the cuts that we made earlier. I want this whole strip that I made to be covered in blood, but I don't want to start too wide, so I'm just building up little by little and filling in the middle gap as I cover up the sides too. I was really liking how it was coming out so far. It was so bright and so red, so I decided to line my lips with it. I thought it would make the blue pop even more. As you can see, the toilet paper kind of drank that blood up a little bit, so I decided to go in with some more layers of the blood. So that's exactly what I am doing, which is perfect because it came out partially crusty and then partially gooey, so it's really cool. And I think I'm pretty much done, so I go ahead and I line up my lips and I put this away. Now I'm applying my lashes, and I decided I wanted some really big extra lashes today, so I went ahead and I delivered to myself. So I have these on, and I love these eyelashes, to my pleasant surprise. I decided to curl my hair for this look. I even burned my neck on this look. And then I went and I got some pink hairspray and I colored the ends of my hair because this just wasn't bopping all the way. And then that was it. I was finished. Enjoy the reveal, and until next time, I'm sending you good vibes.
It hurts.